cybersecurity assessments, OT cybersecurity assessments. And this is very important because we knew from the beginning that our maturity level was very low. We knew from the beginning that we didn't have too much controls in place, right? So we decided to perform three OT cybersecurity assessments, two in Mexico, one in Brazil. And that information was very insightful for us for building the strategy, because we found some similarities in what we are doing in Mexico and in Brazil. I personally went to the plants in Mexico and do a walkthrough and talk with the people and look at the technology, look at the operational technology, at the IT technology that is also in the plants. Start talking also with the board, but on the supply chain part of the company, not the CFO, not the COO. I was talking with the supply chain, engineering team, manufacturing services as well. So that was very important to understand